What is a DHCP relay agent? Have you ever wondered how your computer actually gets an IP address, especially when the DHCP server isn't even inside your network? That's where DHCP relay agents come in. They make sure your device gets an IP address, even if the server is sitting miles away in another building or subnet. Let's break it down in a simple way. What is a DHCP relay agent? Analogy. Think of it like this. You're staying in one hotel, but their receptionist doesn't assign rooms. Instead, the concierge walks across the street to another hotel, talks to their receptionist, gets you a room key, and brings it back. That concierge is your DHCP relay agent. Technical. In networking terms, the relay agent listens for your DHCP discover message, forwards it directly to the DHCP server as unicast, gets the response, and delivers it back to you. Beginner explanation. First, let's talk about DHCP. DHCP is like a hotel receptionist. When you check in, the receptionist gives you a room key. In the same way, when your device connects to a network, DHCP gives it an IP address. But here's the problem. DHCP uses something called broadcasts to shout, "Hey, is there a DHCP server out there?" The issue is, routers don't forward broadcasts. That means if your DHCP server is on a different subnet, your request never gets there. No room key, no internet. Real-world scenario. Here's a real-world example. A company has one central DHCP server in its headquarters. But the branch office has 3 different VLANs. Instead of installing 3 separate DHCP servers, the router at the branch is configured as a DHCP relay agent. So the PC sends a DHCP discover, the relay forwards it across the network to the central DHCP server, and the server replies with an IP address. The client is happy, and the company saves money. Why is it useful? It keeps IP management centralized. It saves cost. No need for multiple DHCP servers everywhere. It makes troubleshooting easier and keeps things consistent. Hands-on lab example. If you're using Packet Tracer or GNS3, you can actually try this. On your router interface, just add the command IP helper address, DHCP server IP. Then watch how clients in that subnet successfully get IP addresses from a server that's not even local. Pretty cool, right? What we learned. So to wrap it up, DHCP relay agents are like messengers. They carry your IP request across the network, communicate with the DHCP server, and return the response, ensuring your devices always receive the address they need. If this video helped you understand DHCP relay in simple terms, hit that like button, subscribe for more networking basics, and drop a comment if you'd like me to cover other topics like VLANs, NAT, or firewalls. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future content. Drop your questions in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts or help out if you're stuck on anything. Stay sharp, and I'll see you in